We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Photoshop opens, and the canvas is set to dimensions suitable for web display. The focus is on gradient presets, which provide clean, consistent color transitions critical for professional business visuals. Using a preset ensures that the hero section communicates sophistication without distracting from the primary message. Gradients are applied subtly, enhancing background depth while keeping text legible and prominent. Brand color